upward portion of Frank's eating.
It's like crunchy.
Thank you.
Good morning. We are it's our last day in Puebla, and remember, if you look at our last video, we said in the morning that we were going to go to Cholula and see the pyramid. Well, we didn't do that, so today we're going to go to Cholula and see the pyramid. So we're having breakfast now at the hostel, and it looks pretty delicious. All I've had is the toast so far, and yeah, so we leave in the evening tonight, so we're gonna run and try to get as much done as we can before we head out.
Yep. That's it. Micah's giving his food now. We're here by the pyramid and we're getting coffee. And Frank is currently on the struggle bus right now.
Tired.
Yes. Struggle bus.
A little tired.
No struggle bus. Struggle bus. No struggle bus. No struggle bus. Struggle bus.
I was tired. Leave me alone.
70 pesos each to get into the tunnel of the pyramid. And we're about to walk inside. Oh. We're going inside. Alright. It's nice and cool in here.
Well, I just got done walking through a pyramid.
That was cool.
First experience. And so the pyramid in Cholula is pretty cool because there's like a whole network of tunnels that go like around and up and down. But luckily they have it all lit and gated off so you don't get lost.
It is so lit.
Because you get like really lost if you just like put you in there and everything was open.
Yeah.
But so there's a church on the very top up there. So all this here is a pyramid. So it's just I think I read it was built in the year 5 BCE, so it's really, really old, and it just became ruined, and it got overgrown with plants and trees. So it wasn't even discovered it was a pyramid until the 19th century. Everyone thought it was just like a little hill, but no, it's a whole pyramid under there with tunnels and everything. So
cool.
For 70 pesos, you can buy a ticket and you get to walk through the tunnels.
You can experience claustrophobia.
Yeah, a little claustrophobic, but...
Or if you're tall like Micah, you have to duck the whole time.
Yeah, they weren't tall people,
I was fine.
guess.
I was fine.
Yeah.
I fit just fine in there.
Okay.
I fit, but it was close.
It was a tight fit.
Yeah.
All right, so we did it. We went from inside the pyramid to the top of the pyramid, and it was confusing to get here, I think. The signs weren't that clear, but we just kind of, you know, walked uphill. We made it. So at the very top of the pyramid is a church that the Spanish built. So behind us here is the city, and then over here is the church. And it's a little hazy, so it's kind of disappointing, but out here, with our eyes, you probably can't see in the camera, with our eyes you can barely see the outline, is a volcano. It's a big volcano right there. So on a clear day, this would be a pretty awesome view. But right now it's an awesome view.
There's like a really cool church right over here too.
Yeah, there's a big church.
Like a medieval looking.
Lots of colorful buildings. It's beautiful.
Yeah, you can see Cholula, all of Cholula and Puebla from up here.
Yeah, you can see, we walked around so many directions and stuff. Over there is Puebla.
Puebla.
And you can see like the downtown, you can see the big Ferris wheel and everything. So it's definitely worth the hike to come up here.
Yeah.
Even though it's hot and the air's thin and we're
yeah.
huffing and puffing by the time we made it up.
We did it.
Well, we did it. And I don't know where Mike is at, honestly.
We're in the bathroom. So yeah.
So if you come to Puebla, come to Cholula.
Check out this place, the pyramid.
Yeah.
70 pesos per person. On Sundays it's free. But it's more crowded on Sundays.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to go through those little tight tunnels inside the pyramid with a bunch of people.
Yeah.
It was already claustrophobic enough. I can imagine being like in a line.
Yeah.
That'd be horrible.
Exactly.
Pay the 70 pesos. It's like $3.50 or something like that.
There are lots of butterflies here.
There are lots of butterflies and
Lots.
lizards and fat squirrels.
Cinnamon and a sugar.
No, so I only have a half.
It's her first churro, guys.
Oh yeah, we have to watch reaction.
Judith's first churro. She's like, it's like a donut. You like it?
Yeah, it's like a donut.
It's like a donut. What's your favorite part about Puebla or Cholula?
It's like a lot of things. Like the food's really good, and the nightlife was really good, and the people were really friendly.
Oh, container bombs.
And
Wait, what?
Container bombs.
That's your favorite part?
Container City.
Container City?
Container City.
Oh,
Container City.
was a lot of fun. The pyramid was fun, but I got a little claustrophobic in those little tiny tunnels. But
Yeah. Gabby, what's your favorite part about Puebla or
No, I would say, what was it? Barrio, I don't know how to pronounce it. Hold on,
Ooh.
look at it. My favorite was Barrio Chananetla, because there's a lot of street art, like in the neighborhood.
And
Good stuff.
where was that?
It was like 15 minutes away from the centro. Just walk to it, and walk around the neighborhood and you see stuff.
We didn't go there. Okay, that's cool. Hola.
we are ending our trip now.
We're at the Puebla International Airport.
Yep.
We actually got here a little bit early because our flight was supposed to be at 6:30, but it's delayed 2 hours. We didn't get the notification until we're on the way
here,
to the airport. So luckily they have a lounge. It's the Good Global Lounge Network, which we've never actually been. It's cool. It's a small airport, so it's a small lounge. Yeah, we're the only ones here. It's me, Frank, Micah, and our new friend Gabby from San Diego.
And the best part about this lounge is it's air conditioned.
It's air conditioned.
And the rest isn't.
The rest of the airport is not air conditioned, which is, I don't know if it's common And in Guadalajara, there was in
Wasn't air
AC,
conditioning either, yeah.
but in the lounge there was. So luckily, we're in the lounge.
And then there's food, there's drinks, and stuff is nice.
Yeah, so we're taken care of.
I'm gonna be tired tomorrow morning though.
Yeah,
We're supposed to land at 8:30, then we land like at 10:30.
Yeah.
Unless I gotta drive 2 hours home after.
Yeah, so we won't get them till like midnight.
It's gonna be long day.
But every time we travel to Mexico, it's just the way it is. So we're used to it. Anyway, so yeah, Puebla was really fun. Cholula was awesome. I'm really glad that we came because we didn't really know too much about the two cities. But not that we've been here, like it was fun.
It was.
There's a lot to do. There's a nightlife is amazing.
Yeah,
oh
it was
my
a lot of
gosh. Everything's just like all the other Mexican cities that we've been to.
It's clean. It's pretty clean.
Yeah, it's very clean.
People are friendly. I think it's like a mini Mexico City.
Very mini.
It's got like a vibe, same vibe. It's a little smaller and a little more relaxed.
Like homely, yeah. And it's very clean. All the drinks, food, cheap of course. And yeah, maybe we'll come back again.
Yep.
Because there were other things that we haven't seen. Like there's 365 churches. We only went into like one. So we have 364 more to go.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Yeah. And there's other things, like other cities around the area that we can check out too. That we haven't been. So we'll come back again.
Yep, it's a big country to explore.
Yes.